In this video, we will learn how to create multiple folder. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have a here 30 name and I want to create 30 folder with the name of the every person. So let's start how it's done. First step, you have to add MD word before this name. So I just write MD and write the name. Okay. Now you can use the MD word to every name of person. Just use the flash fill, select the all cell and press the Ctrl plus E. The MD word is automatically added. Okay. After the added the MD word, just select the all name, click copy the all data first, then press the window plus R and enter here notepad. Okay, then click on OK. When you click on OK, the notepad is opened. Then paste your data, close this notepad and save it. Save anywhere where you want to create. I just create in desktop world folder and name multiple folder. Okay, and just create in and just enter here name any name and dot cmd. Okay, then click on the save button. After that, go to the folder where you create multiple folder and click on this notepad. Now you can see here 31 is added, 30 folder is all created with the name of person. You can see here 30 item is selected. See. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.